I know my daughter has been murdered, and I know that is the truth, and they are hiding the truth. And ever since I read in the paper about what CBI has said, I can't hold myself with the pain. It's like they killed her, they killed the baby, they killed everything, they killed the whole generation of my Baba.
Well, the CBI has already done its investigation. The CBI, I think they were given the case a year and a half back. They've done this investigation. They have met you a couple of times. There's so many extra evidences that they, of course, gathered in this matter. They spoke to you at length. They spoke to a lot of other witnesses. You still think that somewhere they are lacking in their investigation now that they haven't come to the conclusion that she was murdered? How sure are you, and why do you keep saying that it was a murder and it was not perhaps an abetment to suicide, as the CBI says?
Look, first of all, I'm a mother, right? My instincts and the whole day's circumstances, and CBI also, from the very beginning, they came and they said, yes, they believe it's a murder, and they said, but the thing is, you know, we are getting this case after 1 year, and all the evidences have been sabotaged. We don't have anything, and it will be, you know, we know it is murder, but it will take time to, you know, to find, because we have to know who did it. So to zero the person is very, it's going to be taking time. I said, yeah, the truth is that. Main thing is, you know, the truth that she has been killed. Who did it? That is why the case has come to you, because if you cannot break it, then nobody can break it. And you are capable, because you people have got experience. You yourself said that you have dug out the truth, 20 years old truth. You have dug out so many murder cases which were, you know, very difficult, like the nun Abhaya Kerala case. So many things happened, and CBI was competent. I said, you know, FBI offered me help, and but you say
believe that the CBI would do their job in a fair manner, right?
That was my belief.
And you think that all of these beliefs of yours has been belied, that CBI has not done its job the way you were expecting them to do it. Is that what you are wanting to say?
Yeah. I think there is something strange happening. I don't know.
What do you mean, something strange?
I don't know. Under whose pressure, under what lobby, under what... Because when police told me that they are under pressure, the ACP told me...
The Mumbai police.
Yeah, the Mumbai police told me that they are under pressure. They've got pressure from above and they can't. And now, suddenly, you know, for 6 months, CBI was very much at charge, you know, that they're going to... And I was also very much at ease that they are going to bring the truth out. But ever since that, raid happened, after that, everything changed. In fact, I wrote an email to CBI that your attitude suddenly has changed from that, you know, being very proactive, and now it's becoming a little hostile. Why? Why are you doing this to me?
When you say hostile, what do you mean? Did they tell you something? Like
intimidating, yes. They didn't show me the report. They said, that the laboratory report has come. I said, what does it say? They said, I said, can you show me? Oh, we don't have it right now. So they made excuse. Then I asked them various questions about the forensic report that I had brought forward, Dr. R.K. Sharma's.
Which concluded that it was murder?
Yes, it was homicide.
Okay.
And then, they didn't, I said, you were supposed to take the statement. They have not done that. So eventually, which they did, and Dr. Sharma's report did say, he concluded, because I spoke to him after CBI took the statement, and he said that it is a homicide.
Well, after Rabia Khan's allegations, Times Now also spoke to Suraj's mother, Zarina Wahab, and here's what she said to us.
कितने पहले उसने कहा कि सुसाइड है, फिर उसने कहा कि मर्डर है, फिर उसने कहा कि पता नहीं क्या है। अब सीबीआई ने ये कहा है कि दैट इज सुसाइड है, सुसाइड का ही केस है। तो नाउ शी इज पुटिंग ऑल, मतलब वो पता नहीं क्या किस टाइप का इंटरव्यू उसमें छपा है, आई डोंट नो, कि वो टॉयलेट में जाके बच्चे को कुछ जो भी निकाला, ऐसा कोई गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट भी नहीं कर सकेगा जो एलिगेशन लगा रही है। आई मीन क्या मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ बताइए। आई हैव फेथ इन गॉड। किसी से प्यार करना गलत बात नहीं है, अगर किसी से जमता नहीं है तो अलग होना भी बुरी बात नहीं है। अभी अलग होने में उसके आगे जाके उस लड़की की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो तो वही जाने। ऐसा अगर कितने लोग अलग होते हैं दुनिया में, तो अगर अलग होना ही बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है तो आधा हिंदुस्तान तो वैसे ही मर जाएगा। अभी चार्जशीट फाइल हुई है, लेट द चार्जशीट कम आउट, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर इन इट, बिकॉज वी आवरसेल्फ वी डोंट नो। एक बार पूरा क्लियर हो जाए तो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ प्रेस मीटिंग, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। बिकॉज ऑल दिस डेज वी केप्ट क्वाइट, मैंने कहा जाने दो जाने दो जाने दो। हम लोग, हमारा खामोश रहना ये नहीं कि हम गिल्टी हैं। तो वो क्या क्या एलिगेशंस लगा रही है, वो लगा रही है, लगाने दीजिए, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं। ऐसे लोगों को तो स्टॉप तो नहीं किया जा सकता है, बस ओनली गॉड विल स्टॉप देम।